time and pennies in every endeavor he ever undertook. And he wanted to run business as well so that they succeeded. And I think he cared about his craft. I ran that muffler shop for a lot of years. I even have worked at his shop. He had a reputation as being the best developer around. We put this truck together and the box was bouncing. I took down there and said, that way.
I met Marvin in the Lariat Saloon in Berlin. I was there with a friend. He came in and he asked me out. I had not dated in 5 years. It's kind of personal. He was the first man that I was intimate with after my marriage. He was wonderful to me.
Thought she was gonna say ever.
He only
That's why you
met
got-
once. And he
Yeah. Good boy, good boy. Happy Friday. It's Friday. It's fucking Friday. So, oh, that's not good. I don't really have like an exciting day of me like going anywhere, doing anything, or meeting up with anyone, but I do have a full ass work day. So I'm going to be, I honestly haven't worked enough this week. I feel like I've been filming so much that, well, I guess filming is work, but like I have other types of work that has to get done. So I am going to focus really hard today and get a lot of stuff done. I have a lot of footage to go through and organize and get together. And I've kind of been setting up my not setting up my hard drive setup, but I've been like really organizing it, making sure like everything is all set. I just found 3 hours worth of music that's not copyrighted. Just like a mini pro tip if you're a YouTuber, the way that I check my music for my videos is I find it on YouTube. I look up like non-copyrighted vlog aesthetic or like chill hip hop or whatever music, and when I find something that I really like, I take the URL, put it in a YouTube to MP3 converter, like I Google, download the song, put it in Final Cut, put a random video over it, export it, and then upload that to YouTube, and then it'll tell me if there's any copyright claims. And that is literally the only way that I am able to check my music, because I have picked videos that look like they're not copyrighted but then end up getting demonetized later. So that is like my foolproof way, and I know it's a lot of steps, but it works for me. So here's my little pop-up. We're gonna chill out here for a little bit, probably watch a little TikTok, and yeah, get the day started. Cheers. I used to say that in the communication school, so don't make fun of me. I miss the comm school. Also, can we just talk about my hair for a little bit, y'all? She is doing the things that she's supposed to do. This is day 2 hair. I like this vlog thing too, because you guys can see like my hair and how it goes in a day, so, or in a week, you know. Just wasn't having it. I didn't really want to talk.
Yeah, I saw. Like,
I
you
just-
still looking at me like, no, I'm cool.
Nah, I just didn't want to say anything.
Yeah.
Not in the mood to be social. He kept looking at me to say something, but
Just for impressively always.
how beautiful is this? If y'all have never been to Boxville, you should definitely check it out. They've got lots of cool shops and murals.
Get you a flick out right here.
Okay, so here is what my hair looks like, all fluffed and puffed and ready to go. We're about to take some pictures right now. We're in Chinatown. It is insanely hot today and insanely humid. So let's hope that we can get this done nice and quickly. Anything back there? How cute my photographer is today.
You look pretty cute.
I wonder if he'll give me his number. Ah! God. No, you can have my Snapchat. We're not gonna make it. I'm not. We are? Okay, let's go. I haven't been like body out in like a year, and it doesn't feel good. I don't like it. I don't like knowing that people are looking at me at the stoplight. It's just hard when you look this good not to ask people to say, "Don't look at me." These are shoes. Haven't been able to wear these that much because they're white. I'm really a messy individual. Bye.